Well, hey, listen, one of the things I like to do when you're watching is I like for people to understand really the business challenges that are out there. And when I talk to companies about, what they're helping people to be able to solve or the challenges they're really solving. So where I'd really like to start with is that, could you tell me really what maybe one of the big business challenges that you're addressing to be able to help people? Can we start with maybe an example of maybe somebody you're helping solve a problem?
Absolutely. One thing that has remained a constant thread as a challenge, it was there last year, it is there today as well, and it has only gotten further accentuated is the whole shortages in manpower, resources, supply chain constraints. So those are the challenges that our customers are grappling with. So it really all boils down to, from our customers' perspective, is how do you do more or same with less? So that is one challenge that we are continuing to see from our customers.
But let me ask you this: you said materials, you said labor, things like that, and so those are challenges where we're not able to maybe manage the levels or the things that we need. All right, so what are people looking to try to do, or how are they trying to solve that? Then what's happening?
So people are looking at this problem both from planning as well as execution perspective. From the planning perspective, it all boils down to how do you really take all your demand that you have and all the constraints in your labor, in your material, in your supply chain, and really do a better optimization of the work that you're trying to perform. So that way you are able to use less resources, less labor, less material, and plan better for the execution.
Okay, so we have clear work scopes, we have clear materials, and we have things like that which are necessary to be able to execute cost-effective, solutions.